Hey guys, this is Chris Bowles here at Southern Supply. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our hydraulic hose making capabilities. I've been making hydraulic hose assemblies for the past 15 years. I did it for myself when I was a contractor, and when we decided to open Southern Supply up, we partnered with Gates Hydraulics to become a dealer and distributor in this area for their great products. And like I said, there's several places around nearby you can get hydraulic hose assemblies. Your common stuff like JIC, flat face, pipe. We not only carry that, what we call the easy stuff, but we also get into kind of some of the weird and different stuff. That's what we're going to show you today. Another aspect I want to show you is this fine machine that we bought from Gates. Most dealers have the PC 707, which is right here to the right. It's tried and true, nothing wrong with it. This new machine right here actually has a computer, and it does some of the thinking for us and checks us if it will not allow us to make a bad crimp. So it not only we use, I guess, our past experiences and wisdom, but this machine checks every crimp we make, so we shouldn't have any blow-offs or anything improperly crimped. So we kind of got double check, double standards there. We also do not use an abrasive blade to cut the hose. Abrasive blade sends shards of metal and abrasive material in the hose. It stays when you basically put it on your machine, run fluid through it. You're basically putting that right into your cylinders and hydrostats and pumps and whatnot, which is bad for it. So we use a Gates endorsed and supplied all metal blade, which does not produce the abrasive materials. Some of the hose assemblies we make go up to 2 inches with this machine right here. We do 2-wire, 4-wire, and 6-wire. Like I said, I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the different stuff that you don't see every day, or our everyday hydraulic store does not have. The first one is what they call code 61 and code 62. A lot of people call these cat flange fittings as a nickname. We have these everything from the small up to the big. And like I said, you see a lot of it on cat, a little bit of other stuff too, but we also sell the O-rings that goes inside. This one is designed for a 4 or 6-wire hose. We also have them for 2-wire. And on the 4-wire and 6-wire, you have a 2-piece fitting. You have what we call the male stub. It goes into hose, and then this collar goes on the outside, and we'll crimp it on it. You'll see some of the other stuff I'll talk about here in a minute that already has a collar made on it. Most of that is for a 2-wire or 1-wire application. Another one that's really common, really simple, is a flat face. This one is a 45, as you see. This ain't that hard to come by, but like I said, we do stock them up to a -24, so we got some big stuff as well. Something that's a little bit different, a little bit harder to find is they call it some guys call it like a Komatsu style fitting. This is a female Komatsu Japanese metric swivel is the official term for it. Some of your older Komatsu track hose, dozers, whatnot had a lot of it. Some of the newer ones are kind of shying away from it, not seeing as much. But if you got an older Komatsu, we also stock these straights, 90s and 45s. A lot of the sawmills and scrap metal operations around us have a lot of German-made equipment. With the German-made, they have what they call light den and heavy den. This is one right here. This is a 2-wire heavy den. Like I said, we stock these up to a 2-inch as well. Anybody who's familiar with old farm equipment will recognize the banjo style fitting. They've been around for years. This one's very common. This is just your standard American banjo. We also stock a metric and a British pipe thread banjo as well. So anything like that, we also carry it. This one right here is a little bit of a tongue twister, and it's also a little bit of a rarity. It's a female British standard parallel pipe O-ring 45, as you see. Not a lot of call for it, but like I said, we got worlds of stuff that most guys do not have. They got a special order. We stock it here. Our motto is keep the working people working. So with that being said, please come by and see us here at Southern Supply. You can come in, generally we can make a hose in about 15 minutes or less. You can shop the store, look at all our cool toys and tools. And like I said, you know that you're in good hands, and we also have all the lubricants, oils, stuff like that as well. Come see us. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.